CAREPS is a consortium of three main businesses, and mainly property marketing, movers and logistics, and then business advertising. Under property marketing, which is our main entity actually, we deal with the modern apartments for rent, and then we deal with the property management, and then the last one is the furnished holiday apartments. Under movers and logistics, we deal with the household logistics and relocation of our clients from one area to the other, or within one town, within the same town. Then we also handle office relocation and setup. And then lastly, we do home arrangement for clients who request for a full package of CAREPS movers logistics package. Under CAREPS business advertising, here we help clients who have businesses or services or company that would like to reach more audience. So here we offer services to do with marketing and advertising of their services. This one we use our channels, our established channels, to help the clients who seek marketing services to reach their audience. It's always a pleasure to reach CAREPS for any of these services, because we endeavor to offer our services in a professional way.